Alam niyo bang bawal magmaneho kung kayo ay nakainom?
Hindi ako lasing. Naka-drunk blush lang ako. Hello? Duh.
But it's too late now. I remember you and me, and how careless we could be.
All day and all night we'd stay up.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. And if you are new, my name is Ayie and welcome guys. Well, today's video is just all about the simple makeup look. Actually, it's, they call it trunk blush makeup look. This is very simple. Actually, this shows how I usually put on makeup when it's like a casual day, like you know, like if I have to meet some friends or just go out for, you know, just to walk around, or kapag tinatamad, akesh, ganun. So, palaging ganito. Usually talaga ganito. Kasi nga hindi naman talaga ako mahilig mag-makeup. Nasabi ko na yung paulit-ulit kung sinasabi. So, ganito lang ang aking usual na look. So, madalian lang. Very simple. Tsaka kung napapansin nyo, mahilig ako sa mga nude shade for the lipstick. Ayoko ng mga it's either nude or it's either kind of dark. Ayoko ng mga nasa red shade, mga red, mga ganyan-ganyan. So, bibihira lang talaga akong maglagay. So, kaya ko konti lang ang lipstick ko, guys. So, anyway, before I show you how I made over, let me just give you an update of my pag-giveaway. Yay! Yes, guys, ang ganda ng kuko ko. Pero hindi na akong video kung paano ko siya ginawa. This design. This one, nagkamali lang ako dyan. Ayan. So ganyan ko na lang siya. Anyways, hindi naman yan ang topic natin as usual. Dami na naman sinabi. Yan. So, for the giveaways, I have 12 entries at the moment. And meron tayong, we just have like, 6 days left. Today is August 8. Ang arte ko, today is August 8. So, meron lang tayo natitirang 6 days kasi hanggang August 14 na lang siya. So, meron akong 12 entries right now. So, sa Instagram. But, guys, hindi lahat yun ay nakasunod sa aking very, very simple instruction. So, as sabi ko, you have to, meron silang na-miss out na, hindi ko na lang sasabihin kung ano yun, meron silang na-miss out na instruction. Napaka-simple. Simpleng-simple na, guys. I'm so sorry. So, iilan lang yung nakasunod talaga. So, 12 lang at the moment, 12 entries, pero hindi lahat yun ay nakasunod sa instruction or sa mechanic. So, yeah, I hope dumami pa yung, yung sasali, mag-join or makaka-enter. So, yeah, that's it, guys. Yun lang naman. So, without further ado, sabi nga ng karamihan, let's get started!
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah.
that's that's lagi ako nabubulol. So that is how I made this look. Very simple, right? Madali lang siya. And I hope you like it. And if you do, please leave a thumbs up. And please don't forget to subscribe. And then also please also press that notification bell. So every time I upload a new video, you will get notified. And I can thank you so much guys for always tuning in and for always watching my videos. And yes, I'll see you again on my next one. Bye!